Lawmakers are pushing for billions more in funding to help fight this pandemic, but the Trump administration wants to keep extra funding for testing, tracing, and the CDC out of the next stimulus package. This, of course, as the president gave that interview to Fox News, explosive at times, head-scratching at others. Mary Bruce has more from Washington this morning. Good morning, Mary.
Good morning, Cecilia. This was a contentious interview. The president pushed on his inaccuracies and the lack of a national plan. The president, though, pushed right back, but with a litany of false claims. Eager to move past this crisis, the president continues to downplay its severity.
I will be right eventually. You know, I said it's going to disappear. I'll say it again.
But
it's going to disappear.
Does that discredit
and I'll be right.
As infections rise and his support plummets, President Trump on defense and disputing the facts, falsely claiming in a combative Fox News interview that the U.S. has one of the lowest mortality rates in the world.
It's not true, sir.
We're going to take a look.
We had 900 deaths on a single day.
We will take a look.
This week.
Ready?
You can check it out.
Could you please get me the mortality rate?
Trump stopping the interview to question data showing the U.S. actually has the 8th highest mortality rate, roughly tied with Brazil. The president insists increased testing is making the outbreak appear worse than it is.
Many of those cases are young people that would heal in a day. They have the sniffles, and we put it down as a test.
Trump ignoring that young people can still spread the virus to the more vulnerable. And now the president is threatening to withhold funding from schools that don't open in the fall.
We're not going to fund them. We're not going to give them money if they're not going to school, if they don't open.
You know where the money goes? It goes overwhelmingly to disadvantaged kids and children with disabilities.
Let the schools...
Why wouldn't you send more money so the schools would be safer?
Let the schools open.
Trump was also grilled on his claim that schools teach children to hate our country.
1492, Columbus discovered America. You know, we grew up, you grew up, we all did. That's what we learned. Now they want to make it the 1619 Project. Where did that come from? What does it represent? I don't even know.
It's slavery.
That's what they're saying, but they don't even know. They just want to make a change.
With Joe Biden now leading Trump by double digits, the president is questioning his rival's competency, challenging Biden to take the same cognitive test Trump has bragged about acing.
Incidentally, I took the test, too, when I heard that you passed it.
Yeah, how did you do it?
Well, it's not the hardest test.
No, but
there's a picture, and it says, what's that? And it's an elephant.
No. You see, that's all misrepresentation.
Well, that's what it was on the web.
Now, according to our latest poll, Biden now has a 15-point lead nationally and a 20-point edge when it comes to trust in handling this pandemic. Now, looking ahead, the president wouldn't say whether he will accept the results of the election in November. The Biden campaign was quick to respond to that, saying, quote, they are perfectly capable of escorting trespassers out of the White House. Michael.
All right, thank you so much.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.